Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an Easter egg tree. This is truly a statement piece and I had so much fun making this, and so did my two little helpers, Mom and Harry, and so I know you will as well. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this video is a styrofoam cone, glue, moss, and better if you got like a mixture, it would be just add a bit more detail. You're going to need styrofoam eggs, paint, toothpicks, and also a plant pot or a pot in general, just to put the tree in, well the cone technically. And that is it. Okay, so first of all, paint your eggs. I painted my eggs a soft blue, violet, pink, yellow and orange, but you can paint your eggs whatever colors you want. You can even paint them gold. Once the paint is dry on your eggs, you can paint little marks on your eggs. This is optional, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I think it looks nice. Then of course you need to paint your cone, and you need to paint it green since you'll be adding moss later. Now you need to separate and spread out the moss. This just makes it easier when applying it to the cone. Separated your moss, it's time to apply it to your cone. You do this by using a hot glue gun or really strong glue. Okay, now you need to attach the toothpicks into your eggs. Be careful and take your time because you don't want to push it through too far, as it will come out or opposite end. Finally, attach your eggs to your moss covered cone and you will be done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let me know down in the comments if you would try to make this and where you would put it. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I get it how I live it. I live it how